using the Booking section to create a reservation. The Booking section of Restaurant Manager by Eat is where you'll be able to create and modify new reservations within a matter of seconds. To start the process, press the Booking icon on the left-hand toolbar. You are now in the Booking window, one of the main methods of creating reservations in the app. To add a new booking, start by pressing Search for Contacts in the Contacts section. If the reservation is for a guest that has already visited your restaurant, use the search feature to find them. Otherwise, press Create New Guest and fill out their information. For now, our reservation is for one of our regulars, Alex. We can see in the Guest Notes section that he prefers a table by the window. Let's make that happen for him. Pressing the Table Number button takes you back to the floor plan view, where a live version of your restaurant is displayed. Select a table by the window to automatically assign it to Alex. You can select multiple tables if the reservation is for a big group, but for now we only need one, so let's unselect the other two. Next, you'll need to assign a date and time for the reservation. This can be done within seconds. Now, let's select the party size. You will notice that as we increase or decrease the number of guests, the duration of the reservation changes too. This is because we've built in average meal times directly into the app. If these numbers don't relate to your restaurant, you can easily edit them manually. Make sure to add a note reminding your staff that Alex wants a table by the window in the reservation notes. Below this, you'll notice a Reservation By section. This is where you can attribute each booking to a particular employee. My name is John, so I'll go ahead and assign this reservation to myself. Finally, add any reservation tags that relate to your guest. Reservation tags allow you to select from a number of pre-selected attributes. These include everything from allergies and dietary preferences to special occasions such as birthdays, graduations, and anniversaries. You have now created your very first reservation. Press the Finish button in the top right corner to end the process. If you switch over to Floor View, you'll notice that the reservation you just created is already loaded and ready to be seated as soon as the guest arrives. Want to learn more? Check out our video on Floor View to learn how you can manage the reservation you've created, as well as all the other reservations coming in from various channels.